Welcome to our mentoring section. Let me tell you a little bit backstory of why we created mentoring. I have many clients coming to me, my students or people that I haven't met before, coming to me with questions regarding application of lashes, or people that really struggled with certain techniques because they went on courses that maybe there were just too many students on the course and they didn't get that time with the tutor to understand those techniques very well, which then impaired the work with the clients going further and forward. So what we wanted to do is give you a chance to actually address your issues, any problems that you might have, any questions that you might have. This is the time for you. So there's no stupid questions, there is no silly answers, everything is learning, and we're here to help you. We believe that if we can help you improve, then the industry can grow and develop and get better, and we can provide better services for our clients, and then it closes the circle and everyone can benefit from the service. So if you have any questions regarding techniques, applications, or you have just worries, maybe lack of confidence, you can contact us and come for our mentoring session, and you will start to feel different about your career, and it's not going to be a really worrying thing anymore. You'll be able to see your clients, see the happy faces, and move forward.